everyone, Andrew here, physiotherapist, and I'm actually with Darcy, the podiatrist, and I've got Darcy's foot here that I'm going to demonstrate how to use this strength band for a variety of exercises. The first ones we're going to focus on is using this strength band to strengthen the toes. So if you'll come with me here, we'll head down and have a look at these toes here. And this is how you would use this to strengthen the great toe. So this band is really importantly just the right resistance, not too heavy, not too light, but just right, just enough resistance to strengthen the short muscles underneath here. You want to loop the band around the toe like so, and you'll just need to hold on to that up here, so you can hold on to that yourself. And how hard and far you pull on that band will of course increase or decrease the resistance. So with your foot exactly like Darcy's here, we just want to push that big toe down into the band and hold it down onto the floor for 3 seconds. So it's 3, 2, 1. Allow the toe to come up. Ideally just the big toe, but as you saw there, some of the little toes came up with it, which is totally fine. And then we'd repeat that again. So we're pressing down till we hit the ground for 3, 2, 1, and allow it to come up again. Now, a lot of you will struggle with that, and a few things will probably happen. One, you won't even be able to find the muscles, and that's okay. Just keep chipping away at it, and slowly but surely you'll start to get activation of those little muscles. The other thing that might happen is the toe may not go down straight. It might deviate to one side. Do your best to change the angle of the band to get it to go down straight. Again, just stick with it. Just know that as long as you are pressing down and holding, you are getting activation of abductor hallucis along here, which is a really important muscle for alignment. You're also getting activation of flexor hallucis brevis, and you may also be getting a little bit of flexor hallucis longus. So lots of big names, but you're essentially strengthening the muscles in this part of the toe. Gradually build up sets of 3 to 4 sets, and starting at 6 to 8 repetitions, but as these are endurance muscles, we would want to build up to sets of 20 repetitions. So ideal would be 4 sets of 20 repetitions, but start much earlier than that. That's the big toe. The next lot of toes you want to work on are the little toes. And if you have patience and time, then I would suggest working on each of those individually. So the band just slots in here like so. We'll start with a second. It's supposed to wrap around the end of the toe. And again, hold, but probably less resistance, and see if you can get that second toe to go down. Now, Darcy's making this look easy, but this is quite a challenging exercise, and it's also okay if they all go down together. That's certainly not too much of an issue. What we want to watch out for though is avoiding clawing of the toes. So if your toes want to buckle and claw like this, then that's not ideal. We want them to wave down straight. So we often call this toe gym or toe waving. And continue along with all of the toes, the 2nd, 3rd, 4th and 5th, and do each toe individually if you have time. If you are short on time, then focus on the big toe and do the little toes if you can fit it into your day. Same amount of hold time, same amount of sets and repetitions as we did with the great toe. And that way we're strengthening the next muscles across in the arch here. Excellent, good. And that's how you use the strength band for strengthening the flexors of the toes.